Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here at the Aquila hub of the United States of America. Behind me I have something that I haven't seen in a while. That is an available in stock, freshly built Aquila 44 power catamaran. Let's check this one out. You look at these from the outside and you think, okay, these boats all look the same, when in reality, each and every one is a little bit different. You notice here you have the new Arctic white color, beautiful color. You can tell these boats coming down from a mile away, 2 miles away, 5 miles away out on the water. You can tell what an Aquila 44 is. Back here you notice some subtle changes. You have the improved ladder right there. We've been asking them for that for years. Moving on up. Table back here, davit. Gonna make our way inside of the boat. It's one of my favorite features. One of my favorite features right here. Why? Glad you asked. Because the bar is open. That's what I'm talking about. Follow me inside. This is the light ash interior color. A little bit more popular in Florida, where I am. It's light, it's cool. You feel like, you know, you're out of the elements. Over here we have the drop-down table. This is a rather new option. So you have the two side staterooms. You have a master stateroom up front, and then you have this, which can open up as another bed. And it really is a lot of fun too when you have this down. You got the kids, the grandkids hanging out. Then over here you have your pop-up table that comes up. It really is a inviting area. Over here we have our lower helm station. Not a lot of these boats have it, but more and more are being spec'd out like this as we make our way into the 2021 and then 2022 model year. Really nice to drive from down here, especially on those long trips where the sun is hot. Before we go up there, we're gonna show you down here. You can cut now, I guess. Oh, are we not playing that game? Come on down here. We have the starboard stateroom. Now I'm going to bring up an interesting point here really quick. On any other 44-foot boat, even the 40 to 50 footers, mono hulls, that you have three staterooms, you're going to be right on top of each other. But one of the cool things about a catamaran is you've got so much privacy. You're down here by yourself and you don't feel like you're on top of whoever's sleeping in the next room, and you have your own head over here. And if you want to walk back for a second, Victor, this completely closes. Get a really great amount of privacy. That's why these boats are so popular in our charter fleet too. Over here on the port side, this one's a little bit bigger, but it's the same thing. You know, you're gonna have your own stateroom and your own AC unit and plenty of storage too. So that's 2 out of the 3 staterooms. Coming on up to the bow, this is what made the Aquila 44 such a hit in the private market. You have a full beam-to-beam master up here. In order to find this much square footage in a master stateroom, you'd be looking at 60 foot plus on a mono hull. Of course, you're gonna have your own head as well. Towards the port side of the boat, and here, out we go. Follow me and we'll get to the exterior. Bar is closed. Last call. Notice right here, you don't see steps. These are actual stairs. You can appreciate that when you're bringing drinks up and down. You don't have a ladder. Have another social zone up here with this table. Enjoyed plenty of meals back there on Aquila 44s. You have another grill right here. Kenyon, best in the business. Then you have your helm station right here. Real easy boats to drive. A lot of people get intimidated by the size, but you've got total control over these boats with or without thrusters. You really can't beat it. And yeah, I mean, just the amount of memories that I've made on these boats with my friends and family, co-workers, it's nothing compares to it in the world. So my name's Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, the Aquila hub of the whole country. If there's anything Aquila you want to see, whether it's a 28-foot center console, 32, 36, 44, 54, 70, you're gonna find it right here. So go ahead, subscribe for more videos. Come on down and come see what's happening in the world of Aquila. Bye guys.